Liberals suffered a massive blow in the wake of the SNC affair, but numbers are showing a rebound. Michel Boyer joins us now from Ottawa with more. Michel, what do the latest numbers say? Tell us about this Liberal recovery.
Yeah, Marcia, good morning to you. The recovery started a couple weeks ago, and it really seems to be gaining steam. I'm just going to bring up the board and show you where we're at right now. These numbers, according to Nanos research, you see the Liberals in at 36% there, the Conservatives at 30, the NDP at 19, the Greens at 8, and Maxime Bernier's party at about 2%. What we have heard from Nick Nanos is that the Liberals really doing well among women, in fact. Women, the female vote has really helped the Liberals. The men, however, haven't really budged all that much. But polls are polls, and polls are different. If you look at the latest numbers from Angus Reid, it does show the Conservatives, in fact, with about 38% support and the Liberals at 30. So how do you make sense of this? Well, here's what Angus Reid is saying, is that, I'll point out, even though that they're saying pretty much the opposite thing, even what Angus Reid is noticing is that the Liberals are starting to move up. So it seems that a lot has changed after the whole SNC affair. The dialogue is changing. And the Liberals are seeing forward momentum. But again, polls are polls, and the election is still far away, Marcia.
Who is the preferred Prime Minister, Michel?
I find this a really interesting question, because if you look at our political system, a lot of people actually vote based on the party and the prime minister. And that has a lot more weighing than a local representative. Take a look at how different Justin Trudeau and Andrew Scheer are. Justin Trudeau, 33% support, and Andrew Scheer, 23. So that's a 10-point gap. That is quite significant. And NDP leader Jagmeet Singh falls in at third place at 9%, and Elizabeth May just 1 point behind at 8. Maxime Bernier at 2. I think that what a lot of people are going to be watching is over the next couple weeks and months as we approach October 17th is what kind of gains will Andrew Scheer be able to make.
Michel Boyer, thank you. We'll see you next hour.